My name is Confrey Alianji. I'm from Kenya. I'm actually a trained psychologist, but I have a background in innovation management. I work for WWF as the innovation lead for Africa region, leading 17 countries. I've had an amazing time here at ALU, and I'm glad that I joined the business school. A very amazing experience to be in Rwanda, just also visit different case studies and businesses like Zipline to see the innovation that they are doing. My interest, actually, the program was based on my vision for the next 10 years. I want to be a venture builder in conservation, and I believe the business of conservation is going to support Africa and the next vision of Africa. And leadership has a lot to do with it, and ALU has this V3 framework, vision, value, and virtue. And I believe that a lot of value can be created from building ventures and businesses. And I look forward to what comes out of this. My best class was actually doing business Africa and management economics. And I'm happy to be here, and just excited to see the next journey and what is going to come out of it. Very interested to see different innovation, and I believe the digitalization in Africa is also going to play a big role in this. And thank you to ALU for creating such an amazing MBA program.